The moment you go to sleep at the same time every day, your body begins to treat it as a reliable rhythm. Within just a few days, your hormones start aligning with that exact moment of sleep. But most people don't realize that your body starts preparing for sleep before you even feel tired. Your temperature drops, your heart rate slows, and your brain automatically shifts into recovery mode. Then something unexpected happens. You start falling asleep faster without even trying, because your brain stops fighting uncertainty and switches into efficiency mode. After about a week, your sleep cycles become more stable and predictable. Deep sleep gets deeper, and REM sleep becomes more consistent and restorative. And here's the twist. It's not just your nights that change, but your mornings too. You begin waking up before your alarm, feeling clearer and more refreshed. Your focus improves, your mood stabilizes, and your stress levels quietly drop. Because consistent sleep trains your nervous system to stay balanced throughout the day. But if you break the pattern, even for a few nights, everything starts to shift back. Your body loses that predictability and has to adapt all over again. So the real secret isn't just sleep, it's timing. When you choose the same bedtime every day, you're literally reprogramming your biology.